You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery on a Dacia Duster 2 1.0 TCE. You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website, and through the link in the description, you can see the battery which is located to the right of the engine compartment. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, a long extender, and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery and remove it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Disconnect the connector from the battery monitoring control unit. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Using a 10mm spanner, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Lift the cover of the plastic case on top of the battery by pulling the retaining tabs apart. Don't force too much as the part is fragile. Unclip the frame from the plastic casing located on the battery. You can now lever it off with a flathead screwdriver. Using a socket wrench and a long 10mm socket, unscrew the positive terminal, then remove the cover. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Hold the box in position using a cable tie. You can now remove the battery.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto website and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Remember to write the month and year of replacement on the battery with a marker pen. Using pliers, remove the Rilson clamp. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm socket. Clip the fastening frame for the casing back on. Close the plastic case. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully, before fixing it in place with a spanner. Reconnect the electric connector. Put the battering fastening plate in place. Then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. When you change the battery on this vehicle, you need to recalibrate the power steering. To do this, switch on the vehicle's ignition. Turn the steering wheel a quarter turn to the left. Return the steering wheel to its original position. Turn the steering wheel a quarter turn to the right. Return the steering wheel to its original position. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.